My name is Benji, and I've actually been working for myself for about a year now, and I've been pretty successful at it. My bank account has anywhere from like $3,000 to $5,000 saved on a given month, so that's pretty cool, right? I mean, I'm achieving a level of success, and I did not go through a school system in order to accomplish this. Now, at an extremely young age, 14, 15 years old, I was already questioning, why does my parents want me to go here? For what? Go do nursing, go do engineering, go do this, that. Why? What if that's not what I want to do? What if that's not the path I want to take? Then what? Do I still force myself into that system? And then what? Let's just say I do get the job. I'm miserable making $70,000 a year. Why? Why? For money? Because if the career goal you chose is due to the amount of money you're making, or the status because, oh, I'm a doctor or I'm an engineer, because of that, or to make your parents happy, I promise you, you're never actually going to be happy in life, and that's a fact. Matter of fact, when you grab that degree in doctorism or nursing, you're going to be making a lot of money, okay? $200,000 a year, but you're going to be stressed on top of that, working 70 or 80 hours a week. And then what? You're miserable. You're doing it for the money and you hate the job. You want to do the things you want to do and then build a structure on top of it in order to make the money that way. You're doing the thing you want to do anyways. You're starting at square zero. You're not starting off in debt to pay that off, to try to crawl yourself back out of debt. You start at square zero and then you build a structure upwards. You're going to be somewhere further in life than somebody who goes through that structured system that's already been set in place for them to work a job. Because at the end of the day, that's what you're doing. You're going through that process and then grabbing a job at the end. A job where you can't control the income you make, you can't control when or when you don't get fired, you can't control your schedule. That is scary as hell to me. When are you gonna finally give yourself that break to realize that you can figure it out on your own, and what your parents is actually doing is they're projecting their selves onto you, telling you, oh, you can't make it in the real world. You can't figure it out on your own in the real world. What I need you to do is go through a structured system that may make you fail or make you end up in debt, but it's better than you going out on your own. Oh, you're not gonna succeed. Do not try the real world because I don't have faith in you to be able to figure it out. You're not gonna figure it out. Go through a structured system like everybody else, and hopefully you can make $1 more, $2 more working a crappy ass job that you fucking hate. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you want to see any more videos like this from me in the future, let me know down below. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝. Come on, bro. I'm out. Peace.